Hi there, Suraj is back again with another video. And guys, I hope you are doing awesome and well. And today we will learn about package. So what is package in Java? It is a mechanism to encapsulate a group of classes, sub-packages and interfaces. We are using package for these three main features. First one is naming conflict. Suppose there is a two classes with the same name like employee, but we can put them in two packages to avoid the conflict, like one employee inside the CAC package and another employee inside the EE package. In this way we can prevent naming conflicts. It means by using package we can create two classes with the same name. Then the next one is providing controlled access. We can control the access for the particular class with using packages. There are different levels, protected, defaults, and they have basically protected and default have package level access. It means protected members is accessible by class in the same package and its subclasses. And default member, it means without any access specifier, it is accessible by classes in the same package only. And third one is package can be considered as data encapsulation. It means data hiding. It is a main important characteristics of object oriented programming. Let's take a look at syntax. While declaring package, we use package as a keyword, then package name. And to import this package, we use import keyword, then package name. Okay, so let's start with the implementation. Okay, I am creating one class hello and saving this class inside the Java folder with the name hello.java. Now I will create one package p1. To create a new package, first we will create one directory. Directory means folder. So I have created one folder like p1. Inside the p1 I will create new Java file. And this Java file will be demo. Okay, and let me create one method, public void demo, show. Inside p1, so it will print inside the p1. I am declaring this class as a public. Okay, to make this class as a package, at the above we will mention package, then name of the package. Make sure that name of the package and folder inside which we are creating this file should be same. Means inside the p1 folder we will create one Java file, inside that package, then name of package must be matched with this folder name p1. Okay, then my class name is demo, and here I mentioned public keyword, so I will save this file with the same name, that is demo. Inside p1 demo.java. Simply you can remember one convention, folder name and package name should be same and class name and file name should be same. This is how we can implement package. Okay, let's come back to the main file inside the Java, hello.java. Now I will import that p1 package like this, import p1 dot star semicolon. Star means all the classes inside the package p1. So this is our package, and inside this package all the classes, but now for now we have only one class, that is demo. Okay, with this statement it will import all this interface with all the classes. Now I will create one object for the demo class. And I will call that show method, and it should run finely. Before that, we have defined one package here inside the p1. So first we will compile package like this. Okay, we have compiled the package file name, and here is no need to run this class. Again I will compile main file, that is hello.java, and now we will run this class, and here you can see we are getting inside p1. It means this demo class has been successfully imported to the hello.java. This is how we can use demo class with the help of package. So here are one or two important things to remember. This is how we can import package. Then I have created package inside this directory, this folder p1, with this file demo.java. The rule is package name and folder name should be same. Then we are creating class with the public access specifier. It means class name and file name must be same. Okay, so we have successfully imported this package and run this show method inside the hello class. Now I will tell you how we can create nested packages. So again inside the p1 create a new directory, it means new folder, that is p2. Inside the p2 we will create new java file to create package. I will name it let's p2. The class name will be p2. No, because we will name p2 to the package. Why I am facing problem to declare name for the class. Okay, let's give class name as a grace, package p2. We will give package name as a p2, but we have to careful about one thing. We are creating nested packages. It means this package will reside inside the p1. So p1.p2, it means inside the p1 we are declaring nested package, that is p2, and this is how we declare nested packages. Okay, this should be public, and again I will declare one method, public void hi. Hello students. Okay, I will save this file with the name grace inside the p2. look at here, we have fulfilled all the condition. It means the folder name and the package name is same, that is p2 and p2. Class name and the file name is same, grace.java, and I have declared it as a public because we will access it from the outside of the package. Okay, so let's come back to the hello.java, and here we will import p1.p2 dot star semicolon. It means we are importing nested package. So it will directly import p1.p2 means this package p1.p2, and it is a nested package. So we can directly create object of Grace from the hello.java. Now we will create object for Grace, and we will call method show. First we will compile our package file javac p2.java. What happened? Oh sorry, file name is grace.java. Yeah, we have successfully compiled package file. Then we will come back to Java folder, and here I will compile hello.java, and I will run this class, and here we are getting hello students. So we have successfully imported this nested package, and this is how we do nested packages and simple packages. So in this video we have learned how we can create simple packages, nested packages, how we can declare them, how we can import them, and there are three main reasons why we use packages. So that's it for today's video, and I will come up with another videos in which we will discuss some detailed portion of packages. Till then, keep coding and stay healthy, stay home. Thank you.